According to the Ukrainian Air Force Command, Russia launched an intercontinental ballistic missile at Ukraine early Wednesday morning. The missile was fired at 5 a.m. from the Kapustin Yar test range in the Astrakhan region, reportedly targeting the city of Dnipro. JSW Defence announced a strategic partnership with a U.S. firm to indigenize and manufacture its V-BAT, an unmanned aerial system in India. This investment will enable JSW to establish a local supply chain and create an advanced facility in India for manufacturing, assembling and testing V-BAT aircraft. The German Ministry of Defense announced the delivery of 8 Caracal 4x4 wheeled air assault vehicles to Ukraine. The Caracal is a lightweight, highly mobile 4x4 vehicle designed specifically for airborne and special operations missions. A batch of 5 Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters is set to arrive in the Philippines by the second week of December 2024. The S-70I Black Hawk are known for versatility and reliability. These helicopters are designed for missions such as troop transport, medical evacuation, disaster response, and logistical support.